Allow me to say to you, it's not the first time that Africa came to Haiti to assist this country. In 1503, under one of the Kasika, they bring people from Africa to assist the country. And they did what they have to do by their blood to make this country happen. And you come back in 2024 to assist again. Do never forget that. It's your blood, the blood of Africa in Haiti, running this country. We got only one credo. Ride together, die together. Haiti will live. Thank you.